If you want to learn how to make this delicious Liberian fried cabbage, keep on watching. Welcome back to another cooking video with Mix Chop. Today we'll be learning how to make some tasty Liberian fried cabbage. These are our ingredients. We have our assorted meat, which includes shrimp, chicken feet, hard chicken, smoked turkey, some dry fish, and some chicken legs. We have our smoked fish. You can find this in your African store. Usually, so far I've seen Liberian people use this a lot compared to other African countries. We have bay leaf, we have our tomato paste, black pepper, 1 onion, some habaneros, our Vita cubes. There are 3 of them in there. And then we have 1 pack of beni. We also have our cabbage, paprika, and our vegetable oil. I went ahead and washed my meat off camera. Make sure you wash your meat. We're gonna season our assorted meat and we're gonna put those aside. I'm gonna be frying the chicken amongst the meat, and I'm also going to be steaming the smoked turkey, the shrimp, the chicken feet, and also with the smoked fish. The smoked fish is not in this pile because it's already seasoned. I'm just gonna add that to our steam pot. So I'm just gonna add some paprika to our mixture here, just a little. I'm going to add some black pepper. And I'm gonna add half a pack of our beni seasoning. And we are going to mix. You want to mix this very well. Mix it everywhere. Certain Liberian food, when I'm cooking, I don't like to add too many other seasoning because sometimes I personally feel like it takes away from the actual flavor of the meal. But that's just my preference. Sometimes I like to keep it simple. We just mix that in. And we're gonna let this marinate, and we're gonna steam and fry the meat that I listed earlier. After seasoning our assorted meat, we're gonna go ahead and chop up our onion and also our habaneros. This part's optional if you're not really into spicy food, but one thing about cabbage is like one of those cold vegetables that we cook, and it needs a lot of pepper to make it taste better. Next, we're gonna cut up our cabbage. I know this looks similar to lettuce, but you gotta read and make sure you're picking up cabbage and not lettuce. But cabbage has a harder leaf than the lettuce itself. So we're gonna cut this part out. I'm gonna cut this in 2, and then I'm just gonna chop it. Gonna throw this away. And then you just chop it into smaller pieces. It really doesn't matter because this is gonna melt in the pot once we fry it. After adding our oil to our pot and it's already heating up, we're gonna add tomato paste before we add our onions. We're just gonna add this tomato paste to it, and we're gonna mix this in here. I went ahead and added our onions. Now I'm gonna add our cabbage to let this fry with our onions and our tomatoes. After adding the rest of our cabbage to our pot, we're just gonna let this fry down, and then we're gonna move on to adding the rest of our ingredients we have up to the side. And you just want to mix this so all the tomatoes paste goes everywhere. And we will check back on it. Now our cabbage has been frying for the last couple minutes. We're going to go ahead and add some black pepper to it. And we're going to mix that in. We're also going to add our smoked fish to give it flavor. I'm just going to add it in the middle. And I'll let that smoked fish fry down with our cabbage as well. And we'll check back on our cabbage in the next couple minutes. After the last couple minutes, we're going to add our habanero to fry with our cabbage as well. You just want to mix that in. And the smoked fish gives your cabbage this flavorful, it gives it that flavorful smell or scent that just makes you want to eat the cabbage like while you're cooking it. It smells really, really good, and I'm not even done yet. And I can smell that smoked fish, man. We will check on this in the next 2-3 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, we're gonna add our broth from our assorted meat. You want to make sure and save this and add this to your cabbage. And we're gonna mix this in. All that flavor from your assorted meat is gonna go right through your cabbage, and it's gonna cook with it. Look at this juice right here. And we're also going to add our Vita Cube. We're gonna add 2 to this. After our cabbage has softened a bit, we're gonna add the rest of our Benin seasoning to this. We're just gonna put this, and we're also going to add 2 bay leaves for now, so it cooks with our cabbage. We're just gonna put it here, and we're gonna mix this in. The smoked fish and your bay leaf gives your cabbage that extra flavor. I'm telling you. We're just gonna let this cook a little bit more, and we're gonna add our assorted meat to it after that. After frying down just a little, we're gonna add our assorted meat. We're gonna add our chicken. You want your chicken to be golden brown. Oh my goodness. This cabbage is very rich with different type of texture of meat, as well as the flavor as well. Because we have our smoked fish in here and our bay leaf that gives it that extra flavor. We're just gonna add a little bit water, this much, to our cabbage, and we're just gonna let that cook with our meat, and all the juices from the meat and seasoning is gonna go in our cabbage as well. After our cabbage has been cooking for the last 15 to 20 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and add the rest of our bay leaf to this and just let it cook for another 4 to 5 minutes, and then your cabbage should be ready. You also want to go ahead and taste your cabbage to see if you need to add seasoning, any spice to it. But for now, this tastes perfectly fine. And I'm just gonna mix this in and let this bay leaf cook underneath our oil, so all that smell goes everywhere in our pot. Once our 5 minutes is up, here's the final look of your Liberian fried cabbage. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please leave a comment below. Also, please follow us on all of our social media platforms. Thanks for watching. See you next time.